Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear lovely viewer? I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear lovely viewer, I am going to discuss a very important topics for you. You know, my dear participant, our class has been suspended for coronavirus. That is why we are taking online class. I request all of you to participate my online class and try to understand what lesson I am going to discuss for you. Okay, my dear lovely viewer, I am going to discuss the degree. What is called degree? I hope you have idea. Before classes I have discussed about it. So I am going to tell again about degree. Adjective of different kinds of comparison in a real life. In many situations we compare good or bad from person to person or any kinds of thing. So we can say when adjective is compared between two or more persons is called degree. So today's lesson is degree. Okay? How many kinds of degree? You know, my dear participant, there are three kinds of degree: positive, comparative and superlative degree. My dear lovely viewer, today's topics is from superlative to comparative degree, how we can change. By following this structure, you can easily any kinds of superlative degree to comparative degree. Okay, now look at the whiteboard. Superlative. Superlative to comparative. My dear lovely viewer, try to understand superlative degree. Superlative degree, what is called superlative degree? When adjective is qualified, best qualified of something is called superlative degree. My dear participant, try to understand. For example, he is the best boy in the class. My dear lovely viewer, at first we see subject, then we see verb, then we see the, and again we see superlative form best from good. Superlative degree plus noun plus extension. My dear lovely viewer, try to understand. If we follow this structure, we can easily change superlative to comparative degree. If we follow the structure, an example, he is the best boy in the class. Subject, verb, the superlative form plus noun plus extension. My dear lovely viewer, so we can say best quality of adjective is compared in superlative degree. Okay? Now, my dear lovely viewer, comparative degree. He is better than any other boy in the class. Okay? My dear lovely viewer, try to understand At first subject, then verb, then we should check best turn into better. At the time of competitive degree, best turning into better. Okay. Competitive form, we can say competitive form, then plus any other or all other plus noun plus extension. Okay, my dear participant, at first we should check subject and then we should verb, then superlative degree turn into competitive degree, competitive form, then any other or all other noun plus extension. Okay, in this way we can change superlative degree to competitive degree. Okay, my dear lovely viewer, try to understand. Now we are going to discuss more points and more exercise to understand the topics clearly. So try to understand. I am going to give you another example for you so that you can understand and learn many points. If you follow my class, you can learn easily any kinds of superlative to competitive degree in your real life in any examination. So next point, the Padma is the biggest river in Bangladesh. Okay. Hello my dear learner, try to understand and try to solve. How can we solve this? Okay, now follow. I am going to sense and you write down with your kata. Okay, competitive degree. At first we should check subject Padma and then is verb, superlative degree turn into competitive degree bigger. Okay, and then we can use any other river in Bangladesh. I hope you can understand easily, my dear participant. The Padma is the biggest river in Bangladesh. Comparatively, the Padma is bigger than any other river in Bangladesh. Okay, my dear lovely viewer, I hope you can understand it easily. Okay, now I am going to another points for you so that you can understand. My dear lovely viewer, another example, Dela was one of the best housewives in the family. Okay, my dear participant, try to understand. Now look, one of the Dela was one of the best housewives in the family. This is superlative degree, but notice here one of the. Okay, at the time of competitive degree we can use subject as Dela was competitive form, best hair, better than. Now we have to use most other or few other. We can use most other or few other. Noun plural, housewives in the family. Okay, my dear participant, I hope you can understand easily. I am giving you exam structure to understand clearly. At first, subject plus verb plus on of the plus superlative degree, noun plural plus extension. Okay. Structure you can easily understand, my dear participant. If you follow this structure, you can easily understand superlative one of them. And another points I am going to discuss: subject plus verb plus CO competitive degree plus then plus most other or few other, noun plural plus extension. Okay, my dear participant, if you follow this structure, you can easily any kinds of superlative degree on of the in your real life in any examination. I hope if you follow this structure, you can easily any kinds of degree from superlative to competitive degree. My dear participant, try to understand. I am going to give you another example so that you can understand easily. Okay? Now look, my dear participant. Now look, Bhutan. Bhutan is one of the smallest countries in the world. Okay, this is superlative degree one of the I have discussed. So now practice to understand, my dear participant. Bhutan my dear participant, Bhutan is small than most other countries in the world. Okay, my dear public here, try to understand. Bhutan is one of the smallest countries in the world. Superlative turn into competitive degree as Bhutan is smaller than most other countries in the world. In this way, you can change any kinds of superlative to competitive degree easily if you follow my class. If you like my class, my dear participant, never mistake, like, share and comments so that other friends can enjoy this class. You know, my dear participant, our class is not held due to pandemic coronavirus. That is why I request all of you, my dear lovely viewer, to participate. I request all of you to join my next class. Till then, to your good health. Khuda Hafiz.